The healthcare industry is currently facing big challenges. That's why here at ESADE we decided to start with our Career Acceleration Program in the future of healthcare. It consists of a group of sessions given by experts from the pharma and healthcare sector, where they share their knowledge with our ESADE MBA candidates who have shown and demonstrated strong interest for this industry.
I decided to apply for the CAP because I didn't have any background, having worked in consultancy previously. I wanted to change my career.
I decided to apply in order to open up my mind to new technologies, new trends, and things that are going in the market of healthcare.
In the medtech sector, perhaps the most important trend today is the whole digitalization, which is changing completely the business models from a traditional capital equipment base into a much more service recurrent oriented one.
So on the digital angle, what we really see is that patients want to engage and feel empowered. And so really by digitalizing, we can improve quality of care, but also reducing the cost.
So one good example is like a virtual reality. There's lots of voice activated technology that's coming in.
Human body is becoming a source of plenty of data, which means that we need to create devices in order to capture that data and make this data available for further use.
The CAP in healthcare, in my opinion, is a good opportunity for the students to share experiences, to expand their network.
They get to interact with people that are trying new things. That creates an experience and memories and knowledge that then translate into outcomes when they join the workforce again.
We had a lot of theory and practice, company visit. We also had mock interviews with professionals, with recruiters, and for that reason it was very good for me. In my case, I was able to find an internship in the healthcare industry.
I think that ESADE made a great job taking a step forward in order to understand that healthcare is one of the main areas of the future of business, but also in the future of society.